Hi, my name is Olivier from Activity Messenger, and in this video, we're going to use conditional logic to streamline the registration process, whether it be for an event, a class, or even a camp. So the idea behind this is to really simplify the process, make it less confusing for the client, and also really cater to the client's needs and wants. So in this example, I have a Hogwarts Rec organization, and they decided to use the first select your child age group, right? So now you're already prompting clients to select an age group. So let's say I say 4 to 7 year olds. That's going to prompt the next class, right? Which is which type of class are you looking for? And then let's say I'm looking for a potions class. Then we'd say, okay, what's your preferred day of the week? And then I could say, I want to be on Tuesday. But actually, there's nothing on Tuesday I like. So let's go to Saturday and see what are the options there. And then maybe Sunday, right? So you will be able to build this customized to your organization. But this is the process the client goes through. And then when they select, let's say, register for this class, they would simply click on next. And that would bring them to the next page, which is a page where, in this example, we added a monthly membership that's needed to register for this class. But then we could say, okay, let's put in the participants' information, parent information, other parent, emergency contact, and then they can skip to next, sign the waiver, and make the payments. But in this video, and we have other videos covering these topics, but in this video, I really want to focus on the conditional logic side of it. So let's me go back in the editor on the back end. So what does this look like within the platform? Again, these are all things you can change. We even integrated ChatGPT to optimize your text. And then this is where you would decide, okay, what's the first question that I want to ask, and what's the logic behind it, right? So the idea is to really give 1 or 2 clicks and the person is right at the classes that they need to see for their age group in this example. But it could be membership type, it could be level. If you have different swim levels, for example, or gymnastics level, it could be competitive versus non-competitive. You really decide what you want. So let's say I click on edit here, and I could say select your location. Let's say you have multiple locations, and then you can in these options, you would add all the locations. And then based on that decision, what questions do I need to show, right? So in this example, I'm going to the next question, which is another conditional logic. What type of class are you looking for 4 to 7 year olds? Which will then bring me to all the potions class when they select potions. And then you would have an 8 to 10 year old. What type of class are you looking for? And then you would list out all your 8 to 10 year old classes. And the idea behind this is that on most website, participants come in and see a long list of classes, right? And it can be hard to find a class. What's the appropriate class? So the conditional branching kind of, directs people towards the right choice for them. And then you can just kind of modify all these things. And then as you can see at the bottom, then we add the different classes, right? And these are all going to go to a unique attendance list that you can manage afterwards. And if you modify, you can modify the information, the location, the schedule, registration period, memberships, all the reminders that you need. And we have all these different registration rules as well. So we have other videos for like the class component of it, but you would simply add all the classes that you have into this form, where then they would be able to easily find it based on their conditional logic answers. And then you'd be able to add all these other information. And then on the other page break, because you can split per page, we would have the waivers that we want them to sign and the digital signature. And then that would lead to the payment where people would pay by credit card. So what we see is when people are able to do that, it really streamlines the process and makes it a lot easier for clients to find a class and register for your programs. So if you have any questions, you can visit activitymessenger.com, book a demo, or click on the link below. There's a few other videos about all the other features that we offer, such as email marketing, end of session surveys, and a bunch of other things. So thanks for watching.